In this video, I will tell you exactly what the number one outreach strategy actually is. Now, most outbound strategies actually focus on the message, but it's not the message that you should be focusing on. The best outbound strategy isn't about crafting some magical message that's going to triple or quadruple your response rate. It just doesn't exist, and everyone's just searching for that. It's about who you're sending that message to, who you're actually emailing. It's about where your list actually originates. This is what determines everything. And it determines things like how relevant your message is to the prospects. It actually drives the message that you're designing, and ultimately it's going to decide your response rate, your positive response rate too. So let's say if you're running a custom AI automation solution. For this offer, it's very tough to crack on outbound, because although valuable, it's not something that most business owners are actively seeking or actively desiring. But what if you built your list from a group on LinkedIn where business owners are already actively engaging and speaking about AI and implementing AI into their companies? Suddenly, if you send a message offering your custom AI automation offer, the message is 10 times more relevant because these people already care about what you're trying to offer. So just to be clear, the strategy isn't in the words, it's in the list. And the list is what actually will drive the words. The more targeted, the more high intent your list actually is, the higher the success rate. And this is why inbound-led outbound, like social media triggers, website de-anonymization, and this is why these work so well. And it's because the leads, they came straight from you. And it's not rocket science, right? The list is the strategy. If they're coming directly from you and from kind of the content that you're delivering, then by default, that's a high intent prospect. So how do you actually build high intent lists? You can go down the option of implementing tools like B2B, using social triggers with Triggerfy, but you can also do it by custom scraping. So if you know who your target is, all you need to do is find where they spend their time. You can do this with tools like Serpo.dev. You can scrape Google for search results, which is very, very powerful if you know what you're doing, especially in local business list building. And you can use Apify, which is obviously a powerhouse for scraping various platforms with like loads of different use cases. So just to summarize, if you do want better kind of outbound results, focus on your list building, perfect that. And I guarantee that's going to push things in the right direction than anything else. Apart from that, thank you for watching, and please like and comment your thoughts below.